Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Christy Angelo, where I teach you how to make money on YouTube. Today, I'm going to share you the secrets to unlocking the earning potential of your channel. So, are you ready to turn your passion into profit? Well, if yes, let's get started. First and foremost, the key to making money on YouTube is building a large and engaged audience. The more views, likes, and subscribers you have, the more opportunities you have to monetize your channel. So how do you grow your audience? Tips for growing an audience. Number 1, consistently. Upload high-quality content that aligns with your niche or your topic. Number 2, utilize SEO techniques to optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags for search engines. Number 3, collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche to reach new audience. Number 4, utilize social media to promote your videos and your channel. Remember, the larger and more engaged your audience is, the more opportunities you have to monetize your channel. Once you build a sizable audience, it's time to start thinking about monetization. There are several ways to make money on YouTube, but I will cover the most popular and effective methods. Tips for monetization. Number 1, AdSense. This is the most traditional and widely used method of monetization. AdSense allows you to display ads on your videos and earn money based on the number of views and clicks. Number 2 is sponsored content. Another popular method of monetization is sponsored content. This is when a brand pays you to create a video promoting their product or service. Number 3, affiliate marketing. This method involves promoting a product or service and earning a commission for any resulting sales. Number 4, merchandise. Create and sell your own merchandise related to your channel like t-shirts, mugs, and even ebooks. Remember, the key to monetizing your channel is finding the right balance between providing value to your audience and promoting sponsored content or products. Thanks for watching this video on how to make money on YouTube. I hope you found it helpful and that you are now inspired to start your own successful channel. Remember, the key to making money on YouTube is to building a large and engaged audience, and then monetizing the audience through AdSense, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and merchandise. Now, it's your turn to put these tips into action and start turning your passion into profit. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips, tutorials, and tricks on making money on YouTube. See you next time. Bye-bye!